If you are walking into open houses with a pre-qualification letter, you might as well be holding a napkin with numbers scribbled on it, because that piece of paper is virtually useless in a competitive market. Most first-time home buyers use the terms pre-qualified and pre-approved interchangeably, but knowing the difference is often the deciding factor in whether your offer gets accepted or thrown in the trash. A pre-qualification is just a rough estimate based on what you told a loan officer over the phone, with absolutely no verification of your financial truth. A pre-approval, however, means a lender has actually pulled your credit report, analyzed your W-2 self, and verified your bank statements to confirm exactly what you can afford. Sellers want certainty, and a fully underwritten pre-approval letter proves you are a serious buyer who can close the deal, whereas a pre-qualification is just a guess that could fall apart at any moment. At lower mortgage rates, we prioritize getting you fully pre-approved upfront so you can negotiate like a cash buyer. Subscribe to our channel today to ensure you have the strongest offer on the table when you find the perfect home.